Hey, what's up, guys? It's Brian here, Portable Generator Services. If we don't answer because we're busy with a customer, a very perfect, sure way of setting up an appointment and us reaching out to you is to do it very simply through your phone or on your laptop or desktop. All you do, go on to google.com. So just type in www.google.com. Then type in Portable Generator Services. It's going to pop up. Let me change out of the main one so that you see how it will look for yourself. So you search Portable Generator Services. You see that my business is popping up on the right side, right here. So you want to continue scrolling down slowly, and you're going to search with your eyes for something that says book an appointment. There you go. Contact. Appointments. Click that. That's going to allow you to now choose. We've got the Pompano. That's the one that you can book at. And now you allow to choose different times that suit your availability. So let's do one for Wednesday at 11. Okay. And now it's going to ask you for all of your info. The first name, last name, your phone number, the address, and any special notes for the technician. What is the model? Does it need a battery? When was the last time it ran? Give us as much info as possible, please. It really does help. Once you do that, you're going to just book the appointment and you're good to go. And we will show up on that day and time. Please give it a shot. Thank you.